mag-testing tayo ng bagong brand ng USB-C to USB-C cable. This ronformol.dj.com. So, like and subscribe to this channel, and also if you're watching on Facebook, please like and follow this page. So, this particular one medyo anday kong cables, pero konti isa or dalawa lang available ko na USB-C to USB-C cable. So, nagtiwala man ako dito sa Kualaa. Ito yung bagong nakita natin na nakita natin to sa official store niya sa Shopee. So, ito yung itsura niya. Yan, official store yan. So, actually this galing sa medyo 7 days yung shipping from China to my area, since medyo mas sinasamantala natin yung free shipping. Mas mura pag yun yung technique pag bibili tayo sa pag outside of the Philippines. So since may shopping mall siya, so pinagtiwalaan natin to, this one. So this one is 1 meter. Nabili na natin siya ng nasa less than 70 pesos. So ito yung itsura ng packaging. Looks legit. Hindi siya yung typical na generic na nakalagay na sa plastic. So this one, 1 meter lang. So meron siyang, focus lang natin. Yan. Yung address, tapos meron din silang address sa Northern Island. So medyo mataas ang kumpiyansa ko this one. This one is up to 60 watts na yung kanyang support. And may PD charging din siya. Sakto kasi since nakakuha tayo recently ng bago sa Anchor. So tingnan natin gagana to on this one. So ito na yung itsura nung Kualaa USB-C to USB-C cable. May kulay sort of yan. Ang quality naman yung itsura nung cable on this one. So tingnan natin, it will fit to my Anchor power port. Yan. This one. And pasok naman. Tingnan natin kung gagana to sa iba-ibang currently iba-iba ko na devices on this one. So sample, meron tayong up to 20 watts na power bank. And gumagana naman. Ayos naman. Although we have to verify on this one kung gagana to yung mga devices na up to 20 watts lang kasi yung charger natin from Anchor. Pero itong phone kasi, yung cable, it's up to 60 watts. So we have to verify it on another video na siguro soon. And pantetesting natin sa aking OnePlus Nord 2T, which 80 watts yung charging nito. So medyo mataas-taas yung criteria on this one. Pero tingnan natin, at least kung mag-charge siya ng matino. And see, maayos, okay naman, it's working. Ito na yung ating USB-C to USB-C cable ng Kualaa. Works really fine at around less than 70 pesos lang nung nabili natin to Shopee. Medyo matatagal lang sa shipping since base sa China, pero yung shipping nito na pag payday sale or sale na Shopee, mas mura kung nabibili ito. So I might explore this on other products sila, like yung gun charger. I might check them out. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Also, sa panonood sa Facebook, please like and follow to this channel. Road to 10k subs tayo sa followers natin sa Facebook. This one from ronformol.dj.com. Thank you very much for watching.